If you own a real estate note and you're thinking about selling it, there's something important you should understand first. Many note holders reach this point because they want liquidity. Maybe you'd rather have cash now instead of waiting years for payments. That's completely reasonable. But selling a note is a financial decision, not just a quick transaction. Your note has value. That value depends on things like the payment history, the interest rate, the property itself, and the borrower's reliability. I have seen sellers rush into decisions because they feel pressure or urgency. Sometimes they accept the first offer they receive without realizing they may have had options. A note sale can be helpful when done thoughtfully, but it should be based on clarity, not pressure. So if you're thinking about selling, take the time to understand how notes are valued and what choices you actually have. Click the link below to get a copy of my free guide, 5 insider tips to maximize the value of your note.